Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese jalapeno dip. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 cup each of shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack cheeses, and a 4-ounce can of diced jalapenos, drained. Don't forget 1/4 cup of milk and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's get them ready. Make sure your cream cheese is nice and soft. This helps it blend smoothly later. If you're using fresh jalapenos instead of canned, finely dice about 2 tablespoons. Also, if your cheese isn't already shredded, take a moment to shred it now. These small steps ensure a perfectly creamy dip. It's time to cook our delicious dip. In a medium saucepan, combine your softened cream cheese, both shredded cheeses, 1/4 cup of milk, and that pinch of salt. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring continuously. Keep stirring until all the cheeses are completely melted and the dip is wonderfully smooth and creamy. Finally, gently fold in your drained diced jalapenos. Your amazing cheese jalapeno dip is now ready. Carefully transfer the warm, bubbly dip into a serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a few fresh jalapeno slices or some chopped cilantro. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, sturdy crackers, or even fresh vegetable sticks. Get ready to enjoy this incredibly easy and delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.